Did y'all miss me? Today is currently July 4th, 2026. Me and Tiara are on the way to Orlando. Well, she's already in Orlando. I'm finna meet her in Orlando. I just stopped and grabbed us some fireworks. Some small, simple fireworks. Not too much because it's just us two. And y'all know how we get. I can't do the fireworks. Like I'm just a girl. I don't need nothing that go boom all in the sky and stuff. So I got us some smaller, simple fireworks, and we're gonna light them like tonight, I guess. Hold on. Okay, but yeah, I got us some little simple fireworks, just because it's just us two girls, no men, no adult fit. Well, we are adults, but like we need like an adult pro max when it comes to fireworks and stuff. So it's just us two. So I got us some little simple lighter fireworks that just fizz on the ground. So yeah, that should be fun, interesting, entertaining. And yeah, we finna go shop. We'll probably eat out. It's the 4th. But yeah, 24 hours in Orlando with my girl. And yeah, as of right now, I'm still 2 hours and 5 minutes away from Orlando. I'm meeting Tiara here, so yeah, just bear with me. I will see y'all. 2 hours for me, but 1 second for y'all. So all right, y'all, say hi. We here finna fix her hair. I gotta find me some new shoes because apparently mine are ugly, right, Tiara? I just thought it would have been so cute with burgundy. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. But we here, y'all. I'm freezing cold. And I'm hungry. You ate today?
Yeah, I had Chick-fil-A earlier.
Breakfast?
No, I had like probably an hour or two after my appointment. What happened?
Oh, okay. I can't even blame the seatbelt on you this time.
Yeah.
I'm finna blame it on you not because mine is on.
Well, it's gonna come off.
All right, y'all. So it feels so good to like not be in Jacksonville, but I wish this was like a real trip, but it's not. So I'm just wait, be calm until we go to Miami. When we going to Miami? All right, y'all. My favorite place on earth. Wait for them to pass. Love this store. Hi. These are those mini skirts. To what? It's just a bunch of two-piece sets in here. That's it. Nothing major. But those are their mini skirts. You want to wear one? What we finna get? Is it gonna be raining all night? Hi.
I love your set. Is it both owls?
Yes.
It's really cute.
Thank you. Okay. What?
That man was staring you down.
Who?
The man with the girl.
Me? He was probably looking at you. Oh, you got some already? Yeah, maybe I should have thought ahead and brought some clothes. That's a extra small. I can get this one. I don't like gray with blonde hair though. Let's see if they got a blue one up here.
How long are you supposed to be eating fried stuff? Y'all don't have anything that grilled or?
This section is our grilled section, and then we have baked chicken as well.
Okay, so
They have veggie Alfredo. Oh, that's dirty, all right. Remember I had mashed potatoes. What? I'm tired of you.
How you gonna say nothing?
French fries, broccoli, macaroni, and corn. Not sure than yours. Your chicken look good.
I got. Stop five.
For real.
I got macaroni, chocolate, and grilled chicken.
All right, y'all. So unfortunately, I was not able to take pictures in my outfit, but it's okay because the outfit is so cute and it will be going right back on one of these days so I can take pictures. So I'm not even gonna be mad at it. But we done left the licking and the food went straight to my eyelids because I'm so sleepy.
Your eyelids.
Yes, like food went straight to my eyelids. Alright, y'all, so we are currently dressed for outside. Outside don't start until we get there. We are wearing matching sets from Garage. And I'm finna light some fireworks. Which ones you want?
I don't want none.
Why? And I think these the ones that we hold while we light.
I don't know.
We finna be blowing up.
Yeah. You're gonna be blowing up.
Y'all, I'm gonna throw some in here.
You know, you ain't gonna throw that in me. I'm gone. I'm not even gonna play with the pop rock thing. I'm gonna play it. I'm gone. You fleeing up here.
How do you hear me?
Nah, baby, you can't remember nothing.
I'm gonna light this one first as like a tester. All right. Girl. Here is my firework. I'm so scared. I'm gonna light it. Okay. I'm trying to warn you. Tara, can you please light one? I'm talking about. I'm finna throw some of these at Tara. She done heard me. Here, pick one to light.
I don't want to light them. These the ones I gotta like run away from, and they blow up.
I'm gonna run away from all of them. But these aren't like the big giant.
So you just put it in your hand?
No, you sit it on the ground, and light it, and back away.
Oh.
All right, y'all.
This is about what? What is this? I'll play with no more fireworks.
Da Vinci shoes, I came a long way from the floor. Cut off my ex because my niggas put up the
Get your mind right when you talk to a boss. Ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun. But it's big like the sun. $500 to your name. Don't hate the play, hate the game. Yeah, me and Tiara are so irresponsible.
I'm ready to twerk while the security pat me down.
Is the word irresponsible or unresponsible?
Irresponsible?
So it's not unresponsible?
No, it's irresponsible.
Unresponsible, irresponsible. Okay.
Where the key at?
If we lose this key one more time.
Oh, I was looking for this.
To the wrong city. All right, y'all. So we are downtown Orlando. Wishing I was in Miami, but this gonna have to do. Hopefully Orlando is safer than Jacksonville, and like we don't gotta do no running and stuff tonight. Right, Tiara?
Yeah. I'm about to go to Miami, bro.
Honestly, y'all, just get me to Miami. Like ASAP. This it right here, the one you was just talking about?
Huh?
This one you was just talking about?
This big scene. Oh, it was this one. Unless we pay to skip the line.
Yeah, it's people everywhere. I think somebody's doing fireworks over there.
What's up?
I got a boyfriend.
What's up?
No, thank you. Come on, it's time to go. Y'all want to be in the vlog? No, I actually love you because I be watching you on YouTube. But we be watching you on YouTube. Where y'all going? I don't know. We're trying to figure out where we going.
They talk about
$60 just to get in. To get in here? Yeah. Y'all, so this is what downtown Orlando looks like. Yeah, we still got something. I think the whole Orlando outside tonight. They just making a run for it. We're not finna be like them, right?
Yeah, no.
Go get a drink.
I see some shit inside the streets, the legal nigga traumatized.
Hey, bitch, so let me find out you better do me hard. Fuck this, fuck it, I come straight at CEO. Get up that down, who them, at the 40 of them, but that nigga can't even build big, what you need for them. You gonna do it like this, what you say? This is what it is. I'm outside. You pick up my key. I need a bigger
I keep forgetting that I'm recording.
I'm recording. Put that on my kid.
Spending that money fast. 20, 50, 100 cash. Boy, gonna that go yard back.
Yeah, we supposed to be in Miami. With the real go yard bag. I can't post this part on YouTube.
I'm scared.
Scared for what? This is some really bad lighting. Alright, y'all. So it's people everywhere. Like everywhere. Hold on. Go twerk for the drum.
It's good to see Cheddar once again, y'all. Third time a charm.
Whatever.
Let's go back this way. It ain't shit over here.
Yeah, the whole city of Orlando is outside right now.
We need a network.
For real. I need to be handing out business cards, right? Anyways, y'all.
Look at all these boats.
That's Miami?
Yes.
No way. Step put the lights on.
Lights. Thank you.
Those are the windshield wipers.
Thank you.
I'm safe.
Okay, y'all. So he talking about get home safe. We on the way to Miami.
Get to Miami safe. What are you talking about?
So Tiara took it upon her. Let's blast some music real quick. Come on, I record. Okay, there you go. All right, y'all. So it's still it's July 5th. We still in the car. I know I told y'all we was going to Miami. We turned back around and now we've been out ever since then. The sun is up. I haven't been in the bed yet. And Tiara over there asleep like nothing ever happened. This was her idea, y'all. My hair, a mess. But we are 20 minutes from her Airbnb. So I might get there and take me a little nap before I get back to Jacksonville. And I don't even know, I need some water. I need to stop. Alright, y'all, so it is currently 8:09. It's currently 8:09. I'm in the Airbnb eating red velvet cheesecake. I'm not gonna take me a nap. This has been the longest night of my life. The longest night of my life. I came back home with the sun. And this cake is not even good. Hello?
You finna block me?
No, why not block you?
Wait, did you turn me down, son?
Yeah.
You like that? You weird as shit.
Because I'm trying to talk. You mimicking me.
Yeah, you.
Y'all, I really cannot believe we decided to ride to Miami in the middle of the night just to turn around when we 2 hours in. It feels so good to lay down. Oh, this not finna hit. So different.
Oh, I thought she was listening. I was gonna jump over your ass and beat the hell out of you.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
It's so cold up here. All right, y'all. So I'm trying to see if I want to bring the fireworks home or what. Just trash them. I don't know, because I only lit like 3 in total. But I probably will never light them again. So I don't really know what I want to do. I might just trash them. Or I might light them tonight with my family. So I might just bring them home since I didn't light them. But yeah, I got my phone charging. I think I left my purse in the car. Make sure I got all the hair stuff that I brought. Hair is a mess. It's all good in the hood. Alright, y'all, so I'm currently in Daytona, filling up my tank. I'm starving, I'm hot, my hair is a mess. I look exactly how I did last night, same outfit and all, and it's so crowded. Like, I barely was able to even get at this pump. But I'm finna leave here, get back on the road, and just hope for the best.